Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 107. Sunday again, another week has passed. Well, let's look at Bitcoin and see what we have, how the market is looking on higher time frame. Hey Andrei, hey BJ, hey Michael, Sebastian, Bukur, hey Hania. Okay, people. So, Bitcoin on weekly, well, what a surprise. We are still in the same range. And even if we want to go down, I think now it's obvious. We have a shoulder, we have the head, and we need to pump back up to form the other shoulder. Even if you think, well, this is the top. But for the moment, what we know that we have a range here. We are going sideways with all the bad news this week. Nothing changed in the big time frame. I still think it's possible, not probable. Yeah, it's one thing to be probable. It's one thing to be possible. It's still possible to reach pump chaser zone, even long reload zone on weekly chart. From this low, from 49 to this high at 110. So it's still possible to retest this support. If you look on weekly chart, this is the support. Nothing here. This is the range. If we'll accept and we'll push higher, then this will be the new support. But until then, this is the support at 69, 70, 75K. Simple as that, people. If you want to help us out a little bit with this live stream, I'll post you the link, okay? Please repost it on your Twitter if you want. That will help us to reach more people and slowly grow bigger, okay? Now, let's go back. So, as much time as we're holding this level, I don't think we have any problem with Bitcoin. Let me zoom out a little bit more, okay? We are on weekly. I talked about halvening in the 500-day cycles. Look at it. Halvening, 500 days. Now we are exactly in the middle. We can pump all the way up here. We can even put a crystal ball on. You can see P-cycle top. The lines are getting closer, but they are still far away from a cross. We need to push all the way up here at 150, 160K and maybe higher. Okay, look at it. As long as the price is even holding this moving average as support, that's strong. I'll be honest, that's strong market. Now, we are in the middle of it. We can retest and we can push higher, or we can consolidate here and push higher. We'll see. Bitcoin doesn't look bad on higher time frame. Everyone is panicking. Everyone is, I don't know, thinking this is the top. Well, I don't see bearish divergence on OBV. I see a bearish divergence here on RSI. Okay, let's assume that it's a warning sign. But from that until to really have a top, will take some time. I don't consider this one yet a top. Okay, let's zoom a little bit more and let's find Ethereum, for example. We are still in this range. We had bad news. We had all kind of events this week. Look at it. The biggest hack in crypto, where they hacked a lot of Ethereum, it's actually not bearish for Ethereum because the exchange has to buy some Ethereum on the market. And they are buying already OTC out of the market. They are buying. Yeah? So not so bearish. We are still in this range. Let's put the drawings back. I still think this was the local bottom. We can retest long reload zone there. That will be a gift for us if we'll reach that level. But so far we are in a range. We need to accept below 2000 and close below to think, well, we are trying to get outside of the range. And even then, I will consider it a fake out, so still a buying opportunity. And for me to see the upside potential, well, we need to close above $4,000 and then to push to the all-time high and higher. We'll do that this cycle? Probably yes. We can touch 5, 10K for Ethereum. Well, just think about it. It's not even a 4x from here. Okay? So I don't think it's any problem on higher time frame. Range, okay, yeah, everyone wants the Ethereum to pump and be strong, and well, it's not exactly what you want at the time you want it, but Ethereum it's in a range and could pump. I'll put all my money on Ethereum for the top of the cycle? No. There are better plays, there are better things to do, how to invest the money for a better risk to reward, from my perspective. But if you have a big amount of money, big amount of money, I don't think it's a bad idea to buy Ethereum as close to $2,000, because you can sell half on a double, get risk free, then double your money and so on. Okay, now let's look at Bitcoin dominance on weekly. Well, people tell me that that's not a local top. Tell me that that rejection is not clear enough. I think it is. We can still attack 63% and to retest that level. Possible. But I think the statement is pretty clear in this week to the upside and clear rejection. Okay. We are talking about weekly chart, higher time frame. I don't think will happen until tomorrow, but the statement is pretty clear. If you don't have altcoins yet, well, be ready to buy some at the next weekly W or to dollar cost average or to do something, because this year that altcoin cycle will happen. Will happen next week, next month, 3 months from now. I don't care, but will probably happen. Everything will pump? No, it's impossible. Pump fun coins, 99.99% of them, not even a chance. The big altcoins with real communities, with some utility, with some hype around them, yeah. And there are coins, really strong coins at the bottom that could give us 10, 20, 50, 100x. Which one of them? Well, that's the problem. That's the problem. How you select them and where you put your money. Because there are too many of them to buy everything. There are too many of them to use like 2017 strategy. Buy when they launch it and that's it. And you can make tons of money. No. 2021 was different. 2025 will be even more. Yeah? Selecting the coins. You cannot buy everything. It's impossible. There are too many of them. Not enough money to pump everything. They could do most of them a double. Yeah. They all pump on sectors, rotation. Yeah, probably. But not all of them. You cannot consider not even shitcoins. If someone, it's, for example, I'm going now with a Solana address and I'm creating a pump fun meme coin with 0.02 Solana, or how the fuck it costs, you cannot consider that one something in the altcoin space. That one is just, I don't know, some numbers in a... That's not even a shitcoin. So it's impossible for everything to pump. But the selected few, 100, 200, 500 coins will pump really nice. That's my opinion. And about the higher time frame, about this 2025, my strategy is to respect the plan until the end, and I have a risk approach overall, hero or zero. Okay, I will respect the plan, but in that plan, I assumed from the first time that maybe the plan will not succeed and we'll have to go to zero. If everything will go to zero, okay, I could wait another 5 years with the coins there. But I'm not selling bottoms again. I'm not panicking. I'm not doing anything else than what I planned. Because for me, that's the key. Respecting the plan, respecting the strategy. And I hope you learned already last 2 panics. We had series of panics. That is not like people are expecting. With the hack, we had a lot of people saying on, well, that's it. It's over. Too much money. Bybit will go down. This beginning of the bear market. Really? Well, look at it. Look at it, the market. What is bearish? Bybit covered the losses. They have enough money. Not a problem, actually. It's a sign that they are strong. We'll pay the hack. Us, not the Bybit. Don't think Bybit will pay for after all. No, us. From our money will come, will go there. They'll increase a little bit the fees. They'll be more aggressive at the end. Don't worry about them. If they succeeded and they cover the losses, they'll be okay. Okay, people, that's Bitcoin dominance on weekly. I think this is an important level, 60%. Don't hurry up and say, well, that's it. Tomorrow we'll go to the moon with altcoins. Look at dominance. We are at the support here. 60% it's a support. Let's see what will happen above 60. If we'll accept below 60, then it's a different story. Okay? But clear sign of local top here. Happened 2 weeks ago. Look at it. It's your business if you believe that it's a local top or not. Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's hide the ink a little bit because I have drawings from lower time frame there. Can you panic selling this one? Can you panic sell after this drop here? You can if you are a beginner. Can you panic sell here at the support? You are at the POC, man. You are at the POC. Can you sell here? Can you say, well, this is over? I think that's just the beginning. We still have to work for a W there. Probably will happen, but will take time. But like I said, if we'll accept above 0.03, that was the deviation here. And soon enough, we'll pump. Soon enough, Ethereum will recover. I saw some discussion on Twitter. Well, everyone wants Ethereum to die. No, nobody wants Ethereum to die. Don't worry about it. But if the big money want to get in Ethereum, you think they want to buy Ethereum at $5,000 from you or at $10,000 from you? Put yourself in their place. And they are big and they are slow people. And they have big orders and they have a lot of money. You think they want to buy Ethereum from you at $10,000? No, they want to buy it below 2,500 or at 2,500, as low as possible in the support. Institutions are not buying tops. Forget about it. You have 2 solutions. Either you buy with them, before them, or you buy after them. Now I think you are buying with them. They are buying here. We can push on lower time frame a bit lower. Yeah, we can. They all pump this market. Well, you can see in a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, I don't know. You will see all the news all over the place, all the Twitter, everyone talking about Ethereum being the greatest thing ever. Curing cancer, curing death, everything. They have the power to do that kind of shit. They have the power to pump it. And then you'll try to buy it somewhere in here at 0.08. Because I remember here a lot of people are bullish at these tops in 2021, 2022, 2023. I still remember I was called stupid and crazy when I said, well, looks like a triple top here, maybe not. No? Okay, I think this is forming a bottom. Last time, bottom took a long period of time to form. Look at it. W's. So this W took from July 2019 until, with the retest, until 18 May 2020 to form the bottom here. So do whatever you want, people. Panic sell if you want. Panic sell, go away, go back to 9 to 5 or stay on 9 to 5 until you'll see Ethereum at 0.8 and then come back. Up to you. I'm hunting here. I'll be hunting, paying attention, and at the same time really patient to see the bottom. That's what I do every day. I'm looking for opportunities. When I'm entering the market, I have to have at least a small hedge. The bigger the advantage, the bigger the edge, the more greedier I'll become. When I see other people becoming greedy and FOMO in, I'll stay out. When I'll see them fearful and I'll see them panicking, well, at least I'll think, well, something is wrong. Let's try to find a trade there. You want to be with Crypto Traders Arena and make money with us? You saw we are making money on swing trading, day trading, scalping, investing. We have the road to financial freedom still working, but it's an investment plan. I'm still in the plan. Well, 2024, 2025. I still have until the end of the year and maybe next year even to sell, to find the local top, to find the top on altcoins. We don't have the top here. The plan is still working. I just need patience here. The only problem people usually have is patience. We don't have patience. Well, it takes a long time to form a bottom. Yeah, it does. You are here to make money or you are here to feel emotions of I am in a setup, I want to pump, I'll get a Lambo until tomorrow. You know the feeling. Every one of us joined crypto space because of that feeling. Well, I heard about nice opportunities. Well, you find out that you need more patience than on traditional market. And it's not that easy. And now it's even harder because as institutions are coming in, it's harder and harder. Remember, Bitcoin was people's money. Now 20% it's an institutions. A country wants to buy Bitcoin. Well, it's not people money anymore. Sailor Moon is buying every week. He will get punished at some point in time, but for the moment he's the genius. So for the moment, let's call him genius. We have time to call him stupid. Yeah, in the next years. At least my 2 cents. Now, that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We talked about Ethereum being in a range. Bitcoin dominance looking like a local top there. Total market cap. Let's put the ink back. And let's zoom in a little bit more. I still think we are fighting the all-time high. We are fighting $3 trillion. It's trying to hold as a support. We accepted really nicely above this level. Even if the M will confirm and will accept lower, we'll test 2.7, even 2.5. I don't consider that a bottom or a top, sorry. I don't consider that a top. I consider just a proper retest in the support and we can push higher. We'll just need to move this one. For the moment is here. This AB equals CD and could come from this level. But I still think the structure is intact and we can push higher. For the moment, this is the low and we can, if you think AB equals CD, the target is somewhere in here, $4.85 trillion. Anyway, a lot higher than now. Will take longer to consolidate. Well, look at this consolidation. Took some time, no? This one could take the same. I don't know. Maybe we'll pump tomorrow, but maybe it'll take the same time. Look at it. They took from February 24 until November 24. Well, couple of months. So again, find more patience. That's the key. Sorry. By the way, people, hit the like button if you like the live stream. Hit the dislike 2 times if you don't like it. If you don't like it, you can still watch it, but just express yourself hitting the dislike 2 times. We had some people disliking the live stream, not a problem. We don't mind. Not everyone should like us. Actually, if I see dislikes, that means, well, I'm not telling what everyone wants to hear, so that's good. So that being said about total, we can look at total 3. I don't have total 2 here. Similar. Okay, we accepted above this high. We are fighting $1 trillion market cap here. You can see this was a high. I still think it's possible. We retested this level. It's possible to do a big AB equals CD and push higher. Even more than that. Even more than that. We can do great things with altcoins. On total. Imagine we are talking about total 3. That means without Bitcoin and Ethereum. But we can have a super cycle. But not like everyone is expecting. Tomorrow to pump 10 times. No, it's not possible, people. Look at these charts, how slow it is. Yeah, we'll have an exponential move, but it will be once every 4 years. Up to you. Because of your impatience, I'm not referring at someone specifically, but in general, at the public. Because they don't have enough patience, they'll lose the biggest opportunities ever. They did until now, because they didn't have patience. We all did actually at some point in time, but we learned our lesson. Learn your lesson and don't panic sell. Don't do stupid things at the wrong moment. Okay, now, we talked about the overview. We talked about Bitcoin. We are still in the range. We are still in the same area with all the hacks and all the bad news we had. It's still possible to push pump chasers on long reload zone, but still in a bull market. People, every time we had the big altcoin cycle, big pump, at every 4 years, what was happening after the Bitcoin topped? No? So we need Bitcoin to top first. I don't see a top for the moment in Bitcoin. So I'm not expecting tomorrow to see the biggest altcoin season ever. No, I'm expecting an altcoin season to rotate the money in something, to see some altcoins pumping, but the big one is not here. Dominance above 60 is just giving us signals that probably is topping out. Bitcoin could push another AB equals CD. The market is giving us some signs, but it's not happening tomorrow or next week or maybe not even next month. Okay? So prepare yourself again with a lot of patience if you are here. How many times I have to tell? Market is still strong. Market is strong. Don't make me say it again. Repeat after me, market is strong. I don't see tops for the moment. Okay, now, altcoins here, I have my list and you can see from this entire list, AVAX is with green already. The only altcoin I don't have a fill because I had orders on all of them at the weekly W retest is RSR, which has the weekly W retest a bit lower. The rest of them, the entire list is with green, so all the orders are filled now. Some of them I got the feel and market keep dumping. I'm underwater with the orders, with the buys. But I don't have a problem. I'm not intending to sell tomorrow. For example, I don't know. Let's take one of them. The REN, because it's an ugly one. Well, I bought here at weekly W retest in this area and the market is low. I don't care. Even if we go to zero. Some of them maybe will. I don't have a problem with that. But I see great opportunities. Again, I don't know how many of you are still outside of the market, staying on the sidelines and waiting to buy the right moment. I know Ken is, but I don't know more people. But it's not a bad moment to start a dollar cost averaging plan. And by the way, people, the best way, the best Good morning, Katalin. The best way to get the bottom is with dollar cost averaging plans. That's the best one. Don't ignore a dollar cost averaging plan because that's the best way to get the bottom. And also, if you don't play like us with P-cycle, is the best way to get out at the top. A lot of people say, dollar cost average. Well, it's the best thing I know to get the bottom or to get the top. Yeah? With dollar cost averaging, you are glad that the market is going down. So you are not panic selling. Okay? When you see something is going down and you have a dollar cost averaging plan, well, this week I'll buy lower. I'll buy more coins with the same money. So everyone is panicking. You are glad that you get more coins with the same amount of money. It's up to you. No? With little old lady, it's a bit different because you buy a level and you sell half on a double. That will give you a risk-free position. So you bought, you sold half at the double, you put your money back in your account and you have free coins for life. That's again a really good strategy. But if you ask me about investment and how you should make an investment plan, little old lady or dollar cost average. That's the two best things you can do as an investor. A lot of coins you can see, even now, they are with red here. Well, they are forming the bottom. Bottom forming, you see, here, for example, on this one. Took some time to form the W at the bottom, no? Well, we are in that process, I think. Even on this one. Took, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kind of 10 weeks. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, maybe it'll take more time. I don't know. What I could tell you is that usually before the exponential move up, it's really ugly. And in the exponential move up and the altcoin, biggest altcoin season will be even uglier. Volatility at the extremes. You'll see something at $10, then at $5, and then at $100, and then back at $50, and so on. If you don't have a plan, you don't stand a chance. So make a plan. And be damn sure you can respect it. Okay, I don't see any point to talk about them. I talked every week, every day actually on a daily crypto plan. Look at SSV. Everyone want to buy it here at 36. In 2024 they wanted to buy it here in the short reloads, and I said, fuck it, no, don't do it. No, you don't know, Paul. This is the best thing ever. It's a really good project. I know, yeah, it is, but it's in the short reload zone. Now nobody is talking about. Well, it's Noodle Strudels now, or Trader Polar, how the fuck is called. Where is him now shilling this project here? Saying, well, it's kind of a bottom, let's buy some. Let's buy some. Nobody is paying attention. Well, I am. I'll be honest, I am. I'm trying to get as much as possible here. If I make more profit than usual in a day, I go and buy some. SSV, AVAX, I don't know. But some Bera because it's new. Yeah? Some new projects. Mavia, it's at the lows. TIA was below $3 a couple of days ago. And I said, well, buy it. It's a gift. Some people said, well, no, TIA, I want TIA at $1. Okay. If we'll go to $1, I'll buy it, but I'll not miss $3 level because I'll wait for $1. I learned my lesson there. So look at TIA now. We discussed this one multiple times. People start asking me about TIA here, and I said, don't fucking touch it. Let it cool off. It's new and shiny. Will come all the way down and will consolidate. Well, that consolidated did. And we got lucky because it's luck. You can consider it luck here. Yeah, we got $3. And nobody's interested to buy it. Now it's at 3.7, $4. Well, no, it's just a bearish retest. I don't want it. Okay. When we'll take this high at $9, where I should buy it? Come on, people. It's a different kind of market here. You don't wait for for the local top and then to ask and then to buy. Try to get it as low as possible. This is perfect example where you should do a dollar cost averaging plan. Imagine buying 3 weeks ago, buying below $4, 2 weeks ago, buying below $3, last week buying at $3, this week buying at $3.5, the same amount of money and more coins. Well, that will drag your average price down, even if you bought here from 6. Because I said it's okay, below 78.6 you can start dollar cost averaging. Well, if the wick is closing above 61.8 or 78.6 in this case, don't touch it. If the wick is below when you have to buy, well, the candle is below, okay, buy it. Nobody wants to touch this one. I'm not saying this one will not touch $3 again. I'm not saying that. I want my weekly W there, but you get the idea. It's the perfect example. Yeah, power of 3, but it's weekly power of 3, Sebastian. And you have enough experience and we are sharp enough to take 4-hour Ws at the lows, below $3. Not the big one. We don't want to take this one. I'll be honest, I don't want to buy TIA above $4. No. I want to buy it below. And if you zoom in, you'll see levels. Let's put a daily chart. People, tell me that you didn't saw this W. I was blabbing away, yelling at everyone. Well, buy TIA, buy TIA. If you're lucky enough, you'll get a retest at 3.2. Every daily crypto plan, I made sure that I'm talking about TIA. Yeah? I know a lot of you bought TIA at $3. Hopefully that will help you to make some money if you are patient enough to wait for the market to pump. Because it's one of the things you should do to buy it low, but you should also wait to market to pump. Well, I don't know if we'll retest or not. This is the breakout actually. If you put this line, if you put this one, this is the entire W and this is the breakout point actually. So we can pump and do that weekly power of 3 and buy the retest then. I don't know. I bought at $3 as much as I could, below $3 as much as I could. I even told you, well, from the profit I made from day trading, from scalping, I bought some TIA. I bought some Bear, I bought some other coins. Well, you are one of the people that they are listening and they are in a good position now, Andre. You are here from years and you know the drill. You learn to trust Crypto Traders Arena and you are in a good position now. Yeah. Happy to see that you are in a good position. Hopefully you'll be strong enough to wait and make great money. Well, trust us, but trust your plan, Andre. Not trusting us because we are not talking shit. We're not shilling tops. We are trying to help. We are telling, well, this is a good level. But also you should have your own plan. And I think you have, from what I discussed with you, I think you have a plan and you know what to do. Okay, people. So there are projects here, not all of them, but there are projects here that will do 10x, 20x, maybe more. I don't want to say 100x. But for example, Mavia, I don't know, this shitty game, because it's just a game, nothing special, will get some hype. But it's definitely cheap. And if you see a W here, you should buy it, at least as a trade. You don't know what will do. At some point in time, this one was a lot higher. And they are active. They are making marketplaces for their diamonds and their inter games, or to play multiple games and to be able to sell. And they are creating something nice there. The games, they could be improved. Of course they can. They are at the beginning. But you want to buy Mavia when the game is the best in the world and everyone wants to play it? Or you want to buy it now? I don't know. Think about it. You want to buy when the game, well, this game is really nice looking, let's buy it. I don't think you want to buy it then. You want to buy it as soon as possible, as low as possible. Well, the game is not the best thing ever yet. Has a chance to become, has a chance to create some hype. So you should have a small exposure on this shit. Okay? It's just an example. I'm not talking exactly about Mavia. I don't promote anything. I'm just telling you about this project. Because I'm following their Twitter. I saw them working. I was testing a little bit the game. That's why I said it's a shitty game. Because I saw what he's doing. But I'm not waiting for the game to be the best one and everyone from the world to want to play that game. It will be too late for me to enter, to buy it. Because actually I don't want to play the game. I want to buy the stock. I want to buy the coin as low as possible. And sell when everyone is piling in and saying, exactly like on IXS, if you remember. Okay, we can stay here for a lot of time and talk about all of them. I'll give you another bad example this time. These guys promised a lot. They did nice things, and now we're testing the lows. And I'm not bullish on them until after I'll see something like this. Actually, we'll have to take a lot of time. 500,000, 50,000, 500,000 of coins. They are unlocking every day. 500,000 is 500,000. You can tell me they will not sell. You can tell me that's no. That's pushing the price down. And you can see they started on February 6th. Let's see, where is February 6th? Well, let's put a daily. February 6th. Yeah, you can see. No chance to push higher. Because the selling pressure is too big. Smart people sold a lot earlier because they knew about the unlock. They knew that what will happen. Well, will the top or the bottom be? I don't know. I want to see weekly W's. That will tell me probably we'll have a bottom. Maybe even play the retest or the second W. Because the tokenomics are really ugly. Anyway, that's a bad example. SSV, it's a good example. Okay, limited number of coins and so on. eGold, it's another Romanian project this time that has limited supply. And it's at the bottom, people. It's exactly at the volume profile. Yeah, you can see the POC, below POC. I think it's not a bad idea. You can see it's exactly in the level. I said years ago I want to buy it. I made this chart in 2020. Let me tell you when. Here. After the top. Here I made this. And I said I want to buy gold at $20 and at $10. Yeah, you can see. $20 and $10. And they laughed at me. Oh, no, this one is going to the moon without you. Okay. I got my first order and I'm still waiting for $10. That's exactly like on TIA, a gift. If it will happen, will happen. If not, not a problem. I have a nice bag. We are at the support here. Yeah? We took the liquidity. If the market will become and will push higher, this one could do nice things. And from 22 to 44 to sell half on a double, it's easy peasy, people. It's easy to get free position. And then you have gold for free for life. If we'll succeed and will be the next Ethereum or the next Solana or the next, I don't know what, you'll have free position for life. Free coins for life. Maybe this will be the, I don't know, the best thing ever and you can retire with 10 coins. Who knows? You don't know. But you can buy 22 and you can sell 44 and keep the rest as long as you want. Yeah, Bukur, to the moon. They said it at the in a bad location and a bad timing. You cannot, sorry, just let me, you cannot say something here. Oh, to the moon, okay, you will pump back up. Yeah, you have a location, but you have to understand, after a big pump like this, usually takes place a long period of consolidation. You don't have it here. Assuming that the market will pump back up here, it's stupid. Or pump even higher. No. You have to wait for that consolidation, and you can see that was a long consolidation. The longer, the better. And yeah, I could see this one pumping all the way up in the short tree low zone, maybe even higher. I don't know. But if I'm buying $20, $10, I have the best chance to make a profit on e-gold. You're still working. They are still posting. They are still doing things. They are the best. Well, I don't know if they are the best or the worst, but I think they deserve a chance, or this coin deserves a chance. Yeah, we'll trust them until we'll get our shot. So we'll sell half on a double. Okay, enough trust. Now I have my money back in my account. Free coins. Do whatever you want, people. Yeah. That's another example. As you can see here in the live stream, we have 25 people, not too many of them. People are not interested in trading. The lower it goes, people are losing interest. At some point, 3 or 4 weeks ago, we had 100 or 80 people. Now we have 23 people. Maybe it's my fault. I'm speaking too loudly. I use bad words, or I'm saying stupid things, or really people are not interested. For me, everything is a sign. Okay? For me, it's a sign that, well, it's blood on the street. People, they are not interested. Let me pay attention. Let me buy here, and when everyone will be interested, maybe I'll think about selling to them. Yep. Maybe it's my fault. The good part about me, I'm not shilling anything. I don't want you to buy a specific coin. I don't want to buy anything. I'm just telling you what I see in the market. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not. I'm just a guy talking on Twitter, on YouTube. I'm not making too much money from this. I could stop and still be profitable because I'm a trader. So I'm not bullshitting you, telling you, well, you know, buy this coin because it's the best thing ever. I don't know which one is the best. I'm fighting and I'm trying exactly like you to find the best ones, to buy as low as possible, to sell half on a double, to dollar cost average on some of them. I'm a player in the market like everyone else. So I don't need to shield you, I don't know, stupid meme coin like you saw me arguing with a guy here. Because that is a motherfucker. It's a really ugly motherfucker. Let me find. On replies, I think I have it. Because I replied to him. Yeah, this motherfucker. Wells Fad. Well, that's a shiller. That's a motherfucker. This guy is making money only from his community. Yeah. And we had some discussion. Well, Mars is the best coin. Well, if you look on Dex Screener, you'll see tons of them. There are 100 coins. Well, why your coin is better? Well, I'm a true holder. Really? People, you remember. We talked about this one. About this shitcoin. He posted about it. I made money on it because I bought exactly when he said and I sold half on a double. We made some money. But look at it. This guy is telling us that he's a true believer and we should buy his coin because he's holding. Look at it. It's just an example. Nothing with the specific guy. I don't know. It's just Wells Fad. Probably a scammer that is waiting for his exit and he's doing as much as he can on the way. It's full of, Twitter is full of them. But with 400k followers, well, you can shield. And just imagine if half of the people will buy with $10 only, he'll I don't know, take the money from them repeatedly. Sorry, not something you will see here. On Crypto Traders Arena, we are traders. Yeah. Let's go on lower time frame a little bit and then we'll take some requests. Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. Yeah, you can see here we bought 78.6, we made some money, almost touched 100k in my white line, was obvious resistance here. And in this level, if you remember, Stefan tried to play a short. He got a short after all. I managed to play after him and I got lucky and I got the top. Well, not everyone is from the top, but I think everyone had the chance to buy this low and make some money on the way up. What we should do now? Well, we should wait for the market to drop back down if will be the case, or to form a double or to form a new setup. I don't see a new setup. I don't suggest you to play today here. You can play on lower time frame if you want this SFU or this SFU or an SFU setup. But at the end of the week, it's better to stay on the sidelines. This week was the weekend from after the hack, so I don't think it's as usual. Let's wait. Next week we'll have setups, we'll post setups and we'll make some money. Okay? Please don't panic sell or FOMO in. Stay out, wait for a clear setup, play a setup, put a good risk management. Opportunities, they will come every day. If you want to become premium one, join us and see daily live streams on New York session. Well, we still have 2 places for this month. That will reset to 5 to the next month. So don't think we'll have too many of them next month. We don't accept more than 5 people on premium month by month. VIP this week will open for the insiders, for the people that they are already in VIP. So they'll have the opportunity to stay in VIP for the next month. If we'll have people that they will not follow through, they will not buy for the next month, then we'll open that places for the public, let's call it that way, for the people that they are not in VIP but they want in. For the moment we have 2 places. One guy I don't want to see in VIP anymore, sorry, maybe he knows why, and a guy that took the trades from VIP and he was posting on another Discord, a scammer. Insiders, people from premium know that I throw them out in the live stream. Yeah, live, I showed to the people what they did and I said goodbye, out. Pretty simple. It's usually what how we treat the scammers and the people that they are not respecting us. Yeah, so 2 places for the moment, for the next week, not this one that follows. We'll open. How many places, I don't know. Stefan will tell you at the right moment. This week from Monday morning we'll open, but people to buy for the next month. Capua 1, we finished the general part, yeah, the planning and everything, and now we are going in the TA part. Technical analysis, and then setups, and at the end, they will have the practical part. Capua 2, they are working with Stefan now. They finished the introduction. They are working with Stefan with market structure. They are trading on VIP because they have VIP access, so they are making money in the same time. If you want to join us, you can stay on Discord on the free part. You can become one of the premium guys if you want to be deeper in our community, or maybe you get a place on VIP. I don't know. VIP is a bit different, limited places. If you have requests, please type in the chat. I want the ticker and the time frame, or at least some details. I'm just a guy blabbing away on the internet, Thomas. If you appreciate it, make a plan, become consistent, play like a professional, treat market like a business, and market will treat you like a king, like we have on Crypto Traders Arena. Respect the market, and you'll we can help you if you want to be consistent. If you're fucking around or fafo, nobody could help you. Not 10 communities, not one. Well, we're kind of correlated, Sebastian, with the market in general, but, well, I don't know. If it's something is happening weekend, then crypto is really affected. If it's happening in the middle of the week, is not so affected. Why? People could sell traditional market. The problem is if something bad will happen in the weekend, then traditional market is closed and they will sell crypto. They will panic sell. They will express their panic in crypto. So that could be an opportunity for us to reach some incredible levels, but that will shake the crypto market. Also will recover the fastest. Arjun is saying on 4 hour and daily. Well, why not? Let's start with, you said daily, but I'll start with weekly. Binance, BXC, KuCoin. Let's take KuCoin. We talked about this one. The first level is here, Arjun. Weekly W in the long reload zone. So that's the first level. This is it. Pay attention on this one. The favorite place will be here. It will happen. If I'll put a daily, I don't see a daily W. No daily W, no trade. We are still far away from my line, from the retest level. Ugly M, head and shoulder here, ugly. I think you should wait at least here. Try to play the next weekly W, daily W at the retest. Yeah? I hope you understand. The next daily W, as low as possible, at the retest. So let the W form, play the breakout, and enter at the retest. And you'll probably need 1, 2, 3 attempts until you'll get a valid trade that will give you a 5-10 hour. Here, daily, I don't see anything special. Honestly, I don't see anything special. I'll go on 4 hour. You said 4 hour, maybe you see something. Unfortunately, let's put this back. Sorry, people. Okay, 1 second, because I moved something I didn't supposed to move it. Okay. 4 hour, you have a location for lower time frame for a day trade here, but I don't know. At the end of the week, maybe you just want to leave it alone. You have a location here overall, but no W, not even on 4 hour chart, Arjun. Sorry. You have a location, and that's it. You had a 61.8 bounce, well, not enough. Breaking down, back in the long. Another bounce, but even weaker. Short reload zone here. Wait for a W, Arjun. Wait for a W. And if you are a swing trader, okay, you can think about 4 hour daily. But I think the best time frame is daily and play the retest. Wait for a daily W. Let the breakout happen and play the retest. Okay. Let's see the next one. Jade is saying about usual daily and why not? Let's start with weekly now. What happened here? Please tell me, Jade, you didn't buy the top again. Please tell me. You didn't listen to some fucking influencer and you bought the top again. Pretty please tell me you didn't do that this time. Ah, okay. That's good. Oh, there you go. We have, I don't know, maybe we have more history here. Probably we have, I don't know if this is the beginning of all the charts on this coin. But on weekly, you have a good location. That's a start. Maybe here will stop bleeding. It's still bleeding, you can see. Slowly and slowly, but it's still bleeding. I don't see a weekly W. I don't see anything special here to attack it, to go well. But it's paying attention here. It's 88.6. Now, Let's go on daily. Let's see what we have on daily. There you go. Good location to hunt a W. You see any W? Well, it's trying to form one. But same like I told Arjun. Yeah? Wait for the W, breakout and retest. You don't have anything yet. It's still consolidating here. So that's my thinking. Wait. Well, seeing you, someone is pushing that bottom with love and hearts and everything. Who's the guy? I'm joking. Show your love if you like the content, people. That looks like Stefan, but I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Well, wait for the W breakout and retest. That will be the best approach. I don't see anything special. Well, you can see. OBV is trying to make a double. RSI, it's trying to make a bullish divergence. You'll learn about bullish divergence, Jade. Don't worry about it. This is a potential one until we'll close above this level. So we have a potential bullish divergence. So if a potential bullish divergence is there, that means I don't have a fucking setup. I have to wait more. I'll hunt W's after I'll see the divergence confirming. So remember, after the divergence is confirmed, I'll hunt W's. Well, happy clicking, Andrei. Now, that's about usual. If I go on 4-hour chart, I don't think I'll see anything special. Well, on 4-hour chart, you had, for a setup, maybe, I don't know. For a setup, you had a W breakout and retest. You want to be aggressive and try your luck with a setup? Well, you can enter here and stop loss below this week low. Hunt a 2 to 1, 3 to 1. Happy hunting if you want. The OBV is not okay. So I will not take this trade. Why? I want indicator confirmation if I don't have bullish divergence. Yeah? Indicator confirming will mean W's on RSI. We have that. W's on OBV. Well, we don't have that. So OBV is telling me to stay the fuck out. Just my 2 cents. Now, let's take the next one. Why not? Griffin. Yeah, let's take a look at Griffin. Griffin, where are you? Dex. I think Dex Screener has all the history now. I have Griffin somewhere in here. Strong coins, yeah. The last list I made. Look at it, it's there. Daily chart. Well, let's hide the volume. We'll open the volume. Market cap now. I don't need market cap. I want the price. Okay. Hide the volume. So we'll see the chart. Let's adapt the long reload zone we have. We made some money on this one at some point in time. Okay. You have a nice location. 88.6. You saw Bochan posting about this coin this week. It's still bleeding. But at the same time, when it's bleeding, will pump and dump again and could get violent. At the moment, it's dumping, but if you want to hide the order somewhere in here, well, this is the level. You can see a bit lower, but you can hide your order there if you want. That's for a guy that doesn't want to do anything. Just hide your order and that's it. Maybe you'll get a few. Bochan says that it's a valid project and will pump and will happen. I made a scalp and I made money on it on the weekend. I even posted this one on lower time frame for the Romanian guys yesterday. Every Saturday we have a live stream with Romanians only, and we talked about this one and alt, 2 setups. I saw in that moment, I told them, well, take it if you want. I don't think too many of them took it, but I did. And Stefan did it, probably. Wait for a daily W here. We are on daily. Wait for a daily W. Good location. I don't see too much selling volume. I'll be honest. Look at this candle on green candle. Red candles are going down. Not too much buying volume. So everyone is asleep. Wait to see if you'll see a green candle like this, a bigger one, and the price is not moving. That's the first sign that will change the direction. Okay? When you see the next big green candle on the volume, but not so big on the price action, that could be a tell. Or wait for the daily W. Could happen at 3 cents, could happen here, I don't know. If Bochan says it's a valid project, I'll consider it a valid project. I didn't do my diligence here. I trust Bochan. Now, if I'll go on 4-hour chart, we had a setup here. You can say that the setup is failing now, but the setup was on 5-minute chart, people. And I made money on this one. You can see, I took this W yesterday here and took some profit off at 3. Well, I should close here. I didn't close. I closed the rest here, and you can see now it's going down. It's a buying opportunity if you have a new setup. If you'll see a new W here, well, buy the W and try to play the same setup like I played here. Any W, it's a buying opportunity in my view. Not everyone is for 5-minute chart. Most of the people, they need at least 1 hour. So no W here for the moment on 1 hour. Overall, on higher time frame, I'm more than happy to buy in this area. If you want to invest, dollar cost average is the best approach here. Well, Bukur is one of the guys, the fastest ones, I know. And when I was talking about Griffane and alt, he took the trades immediately. And he made money. Yeah. I was talking about alt. I don't know what, if I use this one. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah. Let's go on 1 hour. And you can see the trade made by me. Look at it. It was a clear W, no? Well, a bit aggressive, but because it was weekend, I said, well, let's play this one. I played it. Reward. You can see YM, breakout, retest, is going down, is retesting the W. Give me a new W here or lower and I'll try it again. Yeah, so we can find trades. The problem is you. If you are the guy to see the trades, because opportunities, there are tons of it on every day on crypto space. Okay, so that was Griffane. We have more coins there in that list. You can see some of them. Griffane, this one, Grift, Anon. This one is a new project. We made some money on this one on 1 minute. Really nice money on it. Edwin is, we are waiting for to come back down. Arena. If you remember, we talked about Arena on a 4-hour chart, daily chart. You remember Arena token on AVAX? I hope you do, because I was yelling at you to buy it here. If you bought in the 50 area, you sell half on a double in the 10 area, or you get the idea. Huh? Don't buy it here. Don't buy it here. It's close to the end of the month. Every end of the month they'll have the airdrop. Some weekends will sell, even if they are launching something, even if they are doing something now, is buy the rumor, sell the news. So I don't suggest you to buy here. If we'll come back down in the green area, okay, you can buy it again. But we told you, we discussed it. We said, well, I think this one is a good one. To be honest, I'm out from it. This area. I unstaked, sold, and I'm waiting to buy lower. I assume the risk that will go up without me. Yeah, but if I'm looking in this direction, I don't like it. So if we'll come back down, okay, I'll reload, and I'll buy more coins. If we'll go up without me, well, I made some money. I'm happy with it, but I'm totally out. I could show you the account if you don't trust me. You should trust me. I don't have reasons to blab away and tell you stories, but just as an exception, I'll show you. Wallet, you can see here, AVAX, Arena Portal. You can see stake, unstake. I have only 24 and I had almost 300,000. Empty. Try to sell at high as possible unless fucking Joe, and that's it. If it'll come back down, I'll buy and I'll put it back at staking. I wanted initially to be top 500 here with our account, but I don't see any developments for the moment here. So what's the reason to be there if you are not showing me something? So I prefer to sell local top and that's it. I'll be back if the market will come back down. If it will go without me, I assume the risk when I made this move. Yeah, it's an open account. It's the Crypto Traders Arena account. I don't hide what I do in a public account like this one. If I'll make money, you will see exactly the amount. It's not something I'll hide. But I think I could outsmart a little bit the market here. Maybe I'm stupid. If I am, well, I'm okay with keeping that money and I'll buy the dip next time. Okay, now, that was usual. That was alt what we did. If we want to take a trade here, SFU of this level or the next W. I think I didn't got all the requests. Let's see. Scalpio, NIs look like it's forming a W on daily. Everything looks like it's forming a W on daily, Scalpio. I'll look at ENA on daily, but everything looks like wants to form a W. Okay? You can consider this one already a W unusual on daily chart. Yeah? If I'll put the line chart, you'll say, well, it's a W. It is. Look at it. It is. It's there. You want to play it? Play it. Not the W I prefer, but it's a W. Okay, you said about ENA. Yeah, maybe you'll form a W. For the moment, what I could see a shoulder head and maybe you'll form something. Not a W yet. No W, no trade. You know the drill. At least you should know the drill on how we approach the market. If you see the location, if you see me interested and you don't see a W, in my mind is a song repeating over and over again. It's all I know. No W, no trade. No W, no trade. Stupid trader approach, people. That keeps me out from a lot of troubles and that keeps me in a lot of opportunities. So here I'm playing no W, no trade. Okay? Looking similar with everything else. Really nice location. Some nothing. Just nice location. Let's just stop at that. Okay. Ray, similar. We talked about Ray this week. You see, yeah, okay, maybe here, maybe I'll take the liquidity and we'll go all the way up. Actually, on Ray, if you want to play something, you should do something like this, which means you don't even have a location here. For having a location, you should think 61.8 and maybe lower. And now, because the hype on Pump Fun and Solana meme coins is gone, maybe we'll have a chance for a drop and to buy close to $2. It's still a buying opportunity? Of course it is. For a, I don't know, 1 hour trader, for a day trader, I was trying to think about a W here. You had the 1W breakout retest. This was your trade. Now it's consolidating again. I don't know if we'll not lose the low. So, investor, wait lower. Trader, play the next double. Pretty simple. Doge realistic bull run prediction. Well, Scalpio, you had the government call institution Doge. You had Elon Musk shilling Doge. You had everything. A double from here, I think it's enough. From the market price. Maybe $1 if you're lucky. I don't see more than that. Look at the market cap, Scalpio. Look at the market cap. For Doge to do what everyone wants, I don't know, $2, $5, they need Elon Musk to say, well, the official coin of Twitter, it's Doge. And Twitter or X will become everything app, like, by the way, Elon is trying to do. Everything app. So if X will become everything up and Doge will become his official coin, then okay, you can see Doge a lot higher. If not, $1 it's a good assumption if the market will pump. Honest opinion. If it will happen, Scalpio, I'll bet the farm on it? No. There are a lot of coins that can do more than that. I have some Doge? Yeah, a little bit. AVAX, well, we talked about AVAX, not at this point, but we had even a trade on AVAX. You can see here, AVAX, trade, what is here, 1 hour, oh, 4 hour chart and daily chart, 4 hours, I think, yeah. We even played this one. I think AVAX was one of the coins I posted on general chat, if I remember correctly. Because I framed multiple ones and 2 of them or 3 of them I said, well, let's give something to the public. So I put 2 or 3 setups on the general chat on Discord. I don't remember which one. But look at it. W breakout retest played now like everything else is coming back down. Wait for the next W. On daily chart. No W, no trade. So on daily, no. Nothing. This pattern is actually bullish. If you know Dalmoody, he'll tell you, well, that pattern is really bullish. I know. Just give me the W. I'm playing differently, but you get the idea. Yeah, I could see some potential here, but not yet. No setup for the moment. We had the setup on 4 hour. We played it. We made money. I recommend that 1-to-1 to move your stop loss at break even or make it a risk free. Take some profit. In the highs, you can see. We had the same setup, I think, on Jupiter. I don't know if on this, I think on the other one. Sorry guys, but I need to change a little bit because there are too many of them and I'm framing and I'm forgetting what... yeah, Jupiter, yeah, you can see. W breakout, same setup. Jupiter is holding really nice. Keep in mind that we had what we had. Solana, no. It's too big, too much FUD. It's underwater. We didn't even get at 1-to-1, which is not the great. But nothing we can do at this point. We played Tao, for example. If you want to see setups played by us on Premium and VIP, well, this one was lower time frame play. Okay? So... in the morning, I scanned the market and I said, well, I love this one. Stefan saw it and said, well, I love it too. Let's buy it. We made money on it. Now, Stefan managed to hedge his portfolio here. His his Tao spot bag or long or call it whatever you want. And looks like he did a good decision here. What was his signal? The influencers shilling Tao again here in this week high. So yeah, it's all we do every day. Tia, VIP guys, I didn't frame it. I didn't necessarily took that setup, but Stefan took the trade here in the lows on Tia. You can ask Bukur. He's the best the best guy. If you ask Bukur what they did in VIP, he is the best one because he's the fastest one and he usually takes all the trades. He's there every moment taking trades. Tao prediction at 2 possible, but I don't know. I don't want to predict the market. I'm not here to predict the market. I'll tell you what, I'll buy as low as possible. And we bought at $200, sold at 4, and we have risk-free position on Tao. So that's what we do here. Traders, trading. A trader has to trade. That's why it's called a trader, not a technical analysis. But the Twitter and the world in general is full of technical analysis. They could tell you support and resistance levels. They could shield you some shit coins. They could do a lot of things, but when is the time to fucking execute in the market, they are zero. They cannot do it. When it's time to respect a setup, they cannot do it. They know, but what they know, they cannot apply. So their knowledge doesn't have too much value. And you can see the results on them. When they found out, they will realize they cannot be traders. They know TA, but they cannot. They didn't learn the process. By the way, thank you, Brian Beamish, because you taught me the process. Yeah, they cannot follow the process. And they are technical analysis. They all become shillers because that's the only way they could make money from their communities. Traders, taking the hard way, they are making money from trading, sharing their trades. By the way, it's a big difference between me sharing an idea and copy trading. A big difference, because I'm posting 6, 7, 8 trades a day. Stefan is doing the same. It's your job to select which trade you take according to your plan. So that's not copy trading. Some people ask me why I'm not allowing copy trading. Just because. I prefer VIP people to make their own plan and make their own decision and accept their responsibility. That will make them stronger, and when they want to leave VIP, they'll know what to do. If they are copy traders, if I'm closing tomorrow, they are dead. And by the way, copy trading is working when you have small communities. When you have big money following every trade, it's not, your setups will not work anymore. I hope you understand that. So yeah, copy trading is working until at one point in time. After some point, after some volume, depending on what coin you are trading, is not working anymore. So no copy trading. Sorry. Well, Bukur, looking at how many messages I got this month, yeah, a lot of people want VIP, but it's kind of impossible to take everyone. Because we promise that we'll take care of you in VIP. We'll try to help you as much as possible. So we limit the number of people to be damn sure we can help you if you need the help. In the same time, I'm selecting people. If you are posting me messages, just dumping your shit in VIP, telling your emotions, and when I'm trying to help you, you're not answering me 2 days or 5 days, or you're not answering at all, be damn sure next month you'll not have a place in VIP. Be damn sure about that. Sorry. Some people from VIP don't understand what I'm saying. It's not possible to do that. I'm respecting you. I'm trying to help you. I want to see the same attitude from your side. Simple as that. Win-win. If I don't see the same response, it's not a democracy. I'll just tell you not to join next month. Okay, now, if we have requests, I'll take more. Well, we have 1 hour and 20 minutes, but we can stay 10 more minutes and take more requests. So let's read the chat. Maybe I missed something? Scalpio, it's a long road, and yeah, will happen. In my humble opinion, that's a different discussion. Yeah, we'll have the Everything app, an X so-called Everything app. You'll not be happy about it, but that's a different story. Yeah, Elon Musk will do that. If Doge will be the coin, I don't know. But you'll have, like in China, Everything app, and that will be called X. And yeah, you can do everything there as long as Elon Musk is okay with that. But that's a different discussion. Let's see. Bounce BLT. I don't get what you are trying to say there, Andre. I don't know what you are trying to say there, but if it's a ticker BLT, Peer. Yeah, let's look at Peer. I still think we'll have some nice pumps on Peer. The guy who told me about Peer at some point in time said that they have a new coin made. So let's find Peer. Where the fuck are you? Look at it. It's in front of my fucking eyes. You can see it's fighting $2. Consolidating, going sideways on lower time frame. But let's start with weekly. Reclaim, you can see it's trying to reclaim today. I think still has potential and could go do great things. The problem, Zach told me about it a long time ago, a couple of months, that they have a new coin, and the only reason to keep here is to put it at staking to get the other coin. I don't remember how it's called. But even that, if overall they'll have some hype on them, I think this one could pump really nicely. I'm still in peer and I'm still holding. Yeah. I have a really big bag. I'll sell half on a double. Yes. Zach, remember me even 2 weeks ago about that. Well, they have a new coin. I'm not so bullish anymore. I'm out. I'm not out. Zach is out. But I'll sell half on a double. My average overall, I managed to get it at 2.5, I think. I have to check. So at $5, I'll sell half on a double and I'll keep the rest as long as possible. So that's my approach, Constantin. Still 30 million, 50 million coins. Still a reason to put them at staking. Still a reason to pump. They just need to create some hype. On Twitter, they posted last week or 2 weeks ago a message, something, you think if we hold so much time and we are still developing, we're quit exactly at the end. So at least they understand the market and they understand that is the end of the bearish momentum here on altcoins. So yeah. Bounce Bit. It's a coin. Bounce Bit. Let's see. Well, tell me the ticker. Only the ticker next time, Andrei. And I'll look at it. Just the ticker. I understand your code. Just give me exactly the ticker from Binance. TEL. Well, this time let's look at TEL. TEL on KuCoin. I think that's the best. TEL coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. Yeah. We discussed this one. It's bullish as fuck, but I'm not chasing there. And I show you the big long reload zone, the smaller long reload zone. I'm not chasing a coin like that there. If you are in Crypto Traders Arena on Premium, you have Holy Grail. You can go on, I don't know, 1 hour, for example. 1 hour. Okay. You go on 1 hour, let's see, I have Holy Grail now. Not even 1 hour. You can see stop the Holy Grail. Oh. I'm not chasing. That's the only thing I'll tell you about this one. It's bullish, it's strong, but I'm not chasing there. I need to come back down at least in this area. 007, 006. Form a daily W at least. Let's put a daily. Yeah. Do a daily W. Okay, I could try to enter. I'm not chasing. It's simple as that. It's bullish, I see it. No, I'm not chasing there. It's not a good idea for me to chase. It's 100% or I don't know, a strict rule. Don't fucking chase. You're not allowed to buy if the market is pumping and is in the highs. We discussed about DIM. We discussed Manta, no, but we can look at Manta. Well, it's consolidating. I'll take TON and I'll look at the higher time frame. Okay, let's take TON. It's consolidating. I'm watching that project. Yeah, it's consolidating here in this area. I told you about TON when they had that problem with France and everything, and I told you, well, no, the momentum is over. They had some momentum. They tried to do something and they lost it. And now, weekly W's. Show me a weekly double. I'll be more than happy to. Too much hype at the launch. And they lost the momentum with that arrest in France. That was the problem. Now they lost the momentum and they need to consolidate and start over again. So, dollar cost average if you want. That's TON. The next one, Ripple. XRP. What? You want me to do on XRP? As a disclosure, I have a bag from the last cycle, from here. I'm not selling here. I want higher. I'll buy a Ripple here. No way, man. No way. I'm not buying a Ripple there. The best thing you can do is to wait here. You are allowed to dollar cost average below 61.8. Better is to wait at $1 and wait for a W. I'm not chasing a Ripple there. I'm well aware that could go back to $1. Also could do a great thing and do an AB equals CD. You can see AB, CD on daily, maybe. Yeah, you see it. It's possible, but it's impossible for me to do anything on, it's too early to sell and it's too high to think to buy. No, I'll just leave it alone. But honestly, I have a nice bag from the last cycle and I'm happy about it. So that's Ripple. BB on daily. Well, BB. Let's look at BB. If Andre is saying BB, I'll look at BB. I'll start it weekly. Hope you don't mind. I want this pattern somewhere in here. Smaller, not as big as this one, but you get the idea. Give me the W and I'll be more than happy to think it. Lost all the levels. Accepted on weekly below this support. Now it's a resistance. You need a weekly W there, Andre. Give me the weekly W and then we can play. Lost everything here. Doesn't have anything. You need the W. Could come from this, from 17 cents to 0 in this area. So wait for that weekly W. You don't know where the bottom is. If you want to start dollar cost average, I know you can, and you know how to do it properly. You trust the project. Okay. I hope that helps. I'll put daily because you said. I'm not overall satisfied with this one. No, we need more. Okay, let's go back on weekly. Let's GCF says Manta and Dim. Well, Dim no, because we talked about, but let's take a look at Manta. Lost the support like everything, like the other coin. Power of 3 if we'll accept above 55 cents. Buy the next weekly double, or the first weekly double here will be a good idea. I don't like the OBV, but it's just following the price action. Buy the next weekly W, dollar cost average, yes, it's more than okay. A little old lady, you can apply it, buy here, sell half on the double when you have the chance, keep the free position. Yeah. So on weekly chart, lost the support, could be power of 3, but you need to accept back above and then retest. If you are on Crypto Traders Arena, watch the setups channel because Stefan posted there the power of 3 setup. Or you can search it on Investopedia, or you can find power of 3 setup and understand what I'm talking about. I don't want to explain the setup here. The idea was consolidation, deviation, back accepting above this level, it's a good sign. We are in the deviation. Could go lower and form a W and maybe get a better level, yes. You know how to do it? I don't know. Depending on you, on your plan, on your experience, your community and so on. Okay? Daily. It's trying to do a W here. It's trying, but you can see. The problem I have with this W is that this low is lower than this one. So no thank you. Give me a new W. Then I could talk about. And the new W maybe will be the other side of this trend line. If you take this high and this one and so on. You can see that's a trend line. I could do something like this. It's valid. Why not? W the other side and I'll be more than happy to take it. No W, no trade. Okay? People, you can see. We are consistent. 25, 26 people watching the live stream. We have 1 hour and a half. I'm used to this kind of environment where all the OGs, the people from 2 years ago, the people that they select themselves along the time they are here and they are looking for opportunities. The hype is gone. People are not paying attention. We are here to make money, and we'll make money. Yeah, if you use dollar cost average, if you use little old lady, and you buy low, and you sell half on a double, your money is back in your account, and then you have the position, and you can make some money. Will take more time, yeah. If you are a scalper, day trader, and you are on VIP, well, I didn't ask Stefan how much they made last week, but they made some nice money. 2 weeks ago, even better. 3 weeks ago, really nice. So, yeah, we are making money. In a small range, if you look at daily, Bitcoin is not doing too much. But we are making money because we are trading on 5-minute chart, 50-minute chart, 1-minute chart sometimes. Okay, I talked about Manta. Dimension, I told you, look at the unlocks and you'll see why I don't like Dimension for the moment. And it'll take a long time until I'll like Dimension again. Nice project, but they destroyed it. Well, we take week by week, Bucur. Like you see me saying setup by setup, yeah? Week by week. This week, draw the line at the end. Well, we made some money. Next week, we'll see. At the end of the week, we'll draw the line. Well, it was a good week, made some money, or not. Maybe there are weeks when nothing is working and we'll lose some money. But when we are winning more than when we are losing. So overall, we are damn profitable, and that all that matters in trading. Yeah, Dennis, yeah, indeed. You can look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You can see here. I don't know if I talked about this one. We had the bot setup is still valid. You can see Ethereum is damn strong against Bitcoin. It's trying to put that bot setup in play. If we'll accept. Keep in mind the week is not closed yet. If we'll accept above 0.03, I told you this entire thing will be a deviation. And it's looking like it's attacking that level now. So, yeah, I don't see why not. It's about time, no? I'll trust it when I'll see it closing the weekly above that level and then maybe give me a W. It will take some time, Dennis. It's not, you know that. If you are the same Dennis I remember from TRI. I don't know if you are the same one, but if you are from TRI, you know that weekly charts take a lot of time to form a W, to consolidate. It's boring, it's ugly, nobody wants to do it, but everyone wants to make money. Okay. But if you are on general chat, you are with us, you see what we see in the market, and usually I post on general chat the higher time frame. I'm posting on daily, I'm posting weekly overviews, daily ones, even some trades on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. It's normal, people, not to post everything that I post on premium. No, it's normal. The people are paying more attention. They are paying some money for the ideas. So definitely premium, they'll get more. We live stream every New York session for them. And similar for VIPs, we'll have more scalps that we'll give for premium because they are VIPs and they are paying money for to be spoon feed with ideas, not spoon feeding in general, but spoon feeding with ideas. Well, this is a complete idea. This is your entry. This is your stop loss. This is your take profit. Take it or leave it. It's up to you. That's spoon feeding for me. I posted you a complete trade idea. It's your decision if you take it. And if I'm posting 5 trades like this every day, and at the end of the week I draw the line and you are profitable, that's the best I can do for you in VIP. Similar on premium. On premium I keep the things a bit more complicated, so I want them to form the setups, to learn a little bit, to put some effort. Okay, people. If we don't have more requests, if you don't have anything else, stay on a higher time frame, invest in proper altcoins, try to select the best ones, make some money. Don't forget, we are in 2025. Yeah? Don't forget. You remember last year I said 2024 is buy the dip. Now seems like we have an even better dip, but it's still a buy opportunity in my view. The time will come, like in everything else, when altcoins will pump, and I'll have to tell you, I told you so. Because I'm breaking my lungs here, yelling at the microphone and at the screen. Altcoins, they have an ounce of opportunity. Use dollar cost average, use little oil lady. And that will relieve some of the stress I have. I don't have any stress. It's up to you people. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy blabbing away. Don't listen to me, please. Do your own plan, do whatever you want. It's your money, your decision, your responsibility, 100%. Okay, that being said, if nothing else, if you want to join Discord, you have the link in the description of the live stream. If you want to look at what we offer, you have here on the site, you have everything. You have Premium, VIP, Kappa 1, Kappa 2. Well, I will discuss with Stefan if we'll do another round of Kappa 1 and Kappa 2 in the second half of the year. I don't know. For the moment, we are working in the programs. VIP will open for public in the first day of the next month. Premium 2 places until the end of the month. After that, we'll have 5 places for March. The rest is up to you people. I'm just a guy blabbing away and talking about what we do in Crypto Traders Arena. Nothing more, nothing less. It's looking nice here, people. I'll admit that. At the end of the week, at the weekly candle close, is looking really juicy. Hopefully we'll close nice. That being said, let's call it a live stream. I don't see more questions. I don't see any other comments. See you tomorrow morning at the daily crypto plan. Leave a like on this live stream if you want. Share the tweet I posted. That will help us for more people to see us. Yeah. Okay, people. See you tomorrow morning. Let's call it a live stream. Bye bye.